good, y'all boys. Today, I got a video for y'all. POV. What? Go ahead, go ahead.
Now you guys are on my handlebars.
If I had 0.5, bro, it would be so much better. I cannot pop a wheelie on your bike, bro. Weird. Where we finna go? What?
What if I put cars on my ride so I can
Why?
Because then they'd actually be able to see us.
It's a POV. They're not supposed to see us. Well, I mean, yours is not really a POV. Well, mine is.
Is yours a POV channel?
Yes. I'm putting this on my POV channel.
Is it all going to be POV, or are you making it a bike channel?
Bike channel, technically, but it's POVs.
Not all my videos are going to be POVs.
That shit. But I don't got my bike today because my chain's not working. So I got his. With his bike. That shit. Where we going? Left?
Yeah, no. You got to get back to your house.
To your house? You gotta go to your house?
No, right.
We're going to your house?
Yeah.
Trekkie. When until I get an e-bike, bro.
Hey, you should come with me, and I should ask my mom if you can just run to the hardware store and grab a charger for my other e-bike, and then we can just ride that and make a POV on that.
Okay. That would be better for pedaling.
And I could possibly just let you keep it for a couple weeks.
Alright. Bro, if we get older and we just get cars and we start POVing on that. Yeah, it's tight shit. SIC line. You'll be a YouTuber, bro. Go subscribe to SIT line, bro. Hit that shit, twin. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get somewhere. All right, guys. You ready?
Yeah.
Let me get my gloves on. So Pinehurst we're going to?
Yeah.
All right. Bro, what the hell? I can't get this glove on. Alright, fuck it. Keep it like that. First video gonna be tough.
Huh?
First video on my channel gonna be tough.
So, I just fucked up a good pair of Air Forces.
You did?
Yeah, doing this. It doesn't feel good, but it's fun.
Ayo. Which way? That?
Can we go that way?
Sure. If I just put a footage, it's gonna look bad. Damn. Wait, where'd my phone go? Oh, it's right here. I'm stupid. I used to my phone being in my pocket all day. Bro, I started filling my pocket and I was like, where my phone at? And I was like, oh, it's up here. I'm stupid. I was just having my phone in my pocket all day.
Camera?
Yeah.
I gotta start mine.
All right.
Alright, y'all, we are back. We made it to our destination and we're back outside. So, basically, right now, we're just going to a really fun, dope place. I don't know if we're gonna go back in the jump park. Maybe like once or twice. I don't know if I'm going to. I don't think I'll finish it, but maybe once or twice.
The fuck is that shit?
That car is the one that goes pow, pow.
It is?
That's the one in the car.
He ain't show it off though.
I don't know why. I asked
See you. Oh shit. Oh shit. He's up. Meet me halfway.